Assure the person is in a safe, comfortable sitting position. Spread towel across person's chest. Decontaminate hands and put on gloves. Ask the person to remove his or her dentures. Assist if needed. Place dentures in a safe, sanitary container. Transport them to the sink. Line the bottom of the sink with a washcloth or paper towel. Rinse each denture under cool running water. Use toothpaste or denture cleanser to clean the dentures. With dentures in your hand, brush all surfaces until they are clean. Rinse dentures thoroughly under cool running water. Place dentures in a clean denture cup labeled with the person's name and filled with cool water. Cover the cup to transport back to the person. Assist the person with oral hygiene. Provide oral hygiene by cleaning upper and lower gums using moistened foam-tipped applicator. Offering the person a cup of water to rinse mouth. Providing emesis basin or disposable cup to use for spitting. Have the person replace the dentures in his or her mouth if desired. If not, store in person's nightstand or sink countertop. Dentures must be in water or in a denture soaking solution. Leave the area around the person's mouth clean and dry when care is completed. Remove gloves and decontaminate hands. Clean and put equipment away. Place used linen and towels in a laundry bag.